Hi you guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are at Great Wolf Lodge in Kansas City. So we are currently in Kansas. We've never been to this Great Wolf Lodge before. This one was built in 2003, so it's a little bit different than the Southern California one that we stayed at. This is a tour of the lobby. This is where they do the dance parties. This is the stage where any sort of show happens here. At some point, this will kind of be like that animatronic puppet show that comes on. So we'll see if we can find that. We have this huge fireplace over here. Right now is their summer camping, so they have a lot of summer camping activities. And then if you go over here, just beyond the stage, we have the Bear Paw Sweets and Eats, which we'll come and explore a little more later. The Buckhorn Exchange, which is like their gift shop. Here is the Great Wolf Candy Company shop. They have another store right here that's like a market. Okay, you guys, so we just checked in and I want to give you a room tour of our Wolf Den room. We've stayed at the Southern California Great Wolf Lodge and already this room seems a lot more spacious just in the layout. So right here when you first walk in, you have the mirror, you have a sink, down here is a mini fridge. Okay, you have a microwave right there. To the right, if you come in here, this is the bathroom. Huge, huge. This is so much bigger than the room in Southern California. It's just amazing. So a really big shower, which is great. They have their Great Wolf Lodge shampoo and conditioner. Whoops, and I gotta show you. The soap here is shaped into a wolf paw, which is adorable. So really just a very large and spacious bathroom, which is great. Over here, you can see that this is the wolf den area with the bunk beds. So it's over here in the corner. And then here we have the queen bed. So if you come into here, there is the top bunk. And it's themed all throughout in here. We have the bottom bunk, and then there's like this little sitting ledge area, and they have a TV in here. So over here we have a little dining area. I will say the one in Southern California had a little bit of a bigger table, but there's also a lot more space in this one. So there is the queen bed, TV right here, and a first for us at Great Wolf, a balcony. So it's nighttime right now, Kansas City. This is the view outside. You can kind of see the water park over there, but there's two chairs here on the balcony and we're excited and happy to have a balcony. I love the theming in these rooms, even like the lampshades, everything is like this light wood color, and then my kids love having their bunk beds, and the wolf den area is really fun. I think this room looks great and we're so excited to be here for the weekend. So this is the Camp Critter and this is a breakfast buffet, so we're gonna go see what they have. So over here they have an omelet station.
You want to try a breakfast pizza?
There's also a breakfast pizza right here. And then a quiche. Over here we have some fruit. There was quite a bit of a line. We have milk, some applesauce. Here's some cinnamon rolls and croissants. Okay, and then over here there's like biscuits, eggs, hash brown, French toast sticks. So this is the lower level. Down here, there's the Build-A-Bear workshop, an arcade. Here we are entering into the water park. So over here is the kids section. Okay, look at this whole outdoor section. This is awesome. It's more of a cloudier day today, but this is great that there's a whole outdoor section. There's this whole kiddie section right here. Okay, there it goes, there it goes! Sienna's gonna meet Violet now. Okay. So cute. Thanks, Violet. Bye.
I go throughout the lodge. I want you guys to do your best to keep it fresh and go back. Sammy said at the sheep street up. Back inside the lodge, Rachel constantly sat down and really snuck.
So this is a peek into the candy shop. Oh, how cute. Violet and Wiley's salt water taffy. Wow. There is a lot to look at. Okay, so this is the Bear Paw Sweets and Eats. Okay, so they have different goodies in here. Cupcakes, cookies, cake, and then it looks like you can also get ice cream and popcorn. Here's the outdoor mini golf. So this is cute. You can see the outdoor pool is right there, so it is just close by. That's fun. Thank you guys so much for watching our video at Great Wolf Lodge in Kansas City. We had such a great time. We will see you guys on another video very soon. Bye guys.